Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help out the channel tremendously and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Just a quick reminder for all my viewers watching, and that is, guys, if you guys have not joined the Telegram group chat, guys, what are you waiting for? It's free to join. Link in the description box below. We talk about cryptocurrencies, the latest news and trends revolving around the space, and just have a great time at the end of the day. So come join the group and let's build this community together. Now let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer: anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Looking at the overall crypto market cap today, we are currently sitting at $1.33 trillion. We're down 3.5% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance is currently sitting at 45.8%. Looking at the overall markets, guys, we are seeing a lot of red across the board. As you guys can see, we did see a quite significant drop for Bitcoin below $30,000 today, guys, and we will get into that later on. But this is not coming as a surprise to me right now that we are seeing the altcoin markets bleed, because obviously Bitcoin did have a quite significant of a drop, which obviously does affect altcoins as well, especially if the the BTC dominance is increasing as we speak. But today, guys, I want to look further into Vechain. Alright, my Vechain family, if we are looking at Vechain's price right now, we're currently trading at 0.076 cents. We are down 5.8% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. We're also down 6.7% in BTC comparative in just the last 24 hours. Vechain's current rank on CoinMarketCap and on CoinGecko is at the top 20th spot. Market cap right now is $4.97 billion. Meanwhile, 24-hour trading volume is $1.6 billion. Zooming out and looking at the bigger picture for Vechain, guys, in just the last year alone, let's zoom out. Still, in just the last year alone, we're still up 789%. Obviously, in the last 7 to 14 days, we're down quite significant numbers. But again, guys, we need to keep in mind it's not only Vechain that's down, it's the entire altcoin market that is down right now because of certain things that are going around the cryptocurrency space, which is really creating a lot of panic across the board. So let's waste no more time and get right into the charts and see where we could possibly be going in the immediate short term. Alright guys, so as you guys can see, Vechain right now has dropped quite significantly, guys. We since this 10 cents support level, if we do bring out the measuring tool for you guys, we have dropped in just a couple of days 26.5% as of recording this video. But we did drop even further down today. We had a drop all the way down to 0.6 cents, guys. So if you manage to pick up some Vechain around this level, you would already be up right now. You would already be up 25.6%. So if you did have some buy orders around there, that might have been a good buying opportunity for you guys. But guys, Vechain has dropped quite significantly over the past 2 to 3 weeks, if you want to say so. As you guys can see, this was the rally when we were seeing upwards trend, which was clearly a fake out. When we did see Bitcoin go to $38,000, we went all the way up to 15 cents, but were unable to get above it. And since then, guys, we have dropped 51.2%. So now you may be asking, I've been seeing a lot of comments now, I have been seeing a lot of comments coming in. A lot of people are like, what is going on? Vechain is going down, down, down. Like, what is basically happening with Vechain? First, what I would like to say is, like I mentioned earlier, it's not only Vechain that's down, guys. It's the entire altcoin market that is down quite significantly as we speak, and that is mainly due to the fact that Bitcoin did see some major downwards trend happened just earlier today, along with the BTC dominance is skyrocketing, guys. As you guys can see, we're sitting at 47.73% as of recording this video, and I expect it to only keep on getting higher because of the current market sentiment. When Bitcoin price does tend to fall at this rate, we do tend to see always BTC dominance increase rather than decrease, meaning more people rather go out of altcoins into Bitcoin because Bitcoin tends to hold better compared to altcoins when it does see a drop. So that's exactly what we're seeing happen right now in the markets. And as the BTC dominance increases, guys, this does play a major negative impact on the entire altcoin markets. Basically, the altcoin markets lag behind Bitcoin rather than outperforming Bitcoin when Bitcoin does go towards the upside, and also vice versa. If Bitcoin drops towards the downside, we do tend to see projects, especially altcoins, drop even harder. So that's just how the markets tend to work, guys. I know it's a major scary times ahead right now. I'm sorry, it's major scary times right now around the cryptocurrency space, and I know a lot of newcomers coming in the markets have been scared, and they have a lot of panic. What's going on? Is this it? But guys, this is why it's always important to invest where you can afford to lose. I always tell you guys, and it's always important to take profits. I cannot stress this enough. We will get into Vechain charts later on. Let's look at Bitcoin price because that is very, very important, and it has done something very important today. So we need to check that out, and then we will come and make a conclusion as to what could possibly happen for Vechain in the immediate short term. So if we are looking at Bitcoin's price right now, guys, so first thing I want to point out to you guys is that this higher low that we had been creating since the almost a month ago, guys, has been invalidated. It's absolutely invalidated. This basically means it did not occur at all because we did break below the initial drop on May 19th, and we did see Bitcoin price go all the way down to 28,000, to be exact, $28,727, as you guys can see right now. But we did see a lot of a volume kick in, as you guys can see. So bulls did come and save the price of Bitcoin. But again, guys, something very important is happening right now. And now you may be asking what exactly is going on. You guys can see we have touched this level. As you guys may know, I have been mentioning this. The $33,000 level is basically the last life support for the price of Bitcoin. And you guys can see we have tried to go above it almost 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, but we are unable to go above it. And this is not just a normal ordinary line that I have just drawn. You guys can see Bitcoin price reacts to this right now. It's resistance for us, and it's reacting perfectly. Before it was a support, right now it is playing as a level of resistance for us. We need for Bitcoin price to close above $33,200 level at least before the day comes to an end. We still have 4 hours to go, so that's what we want to see happen. As you guys can see, Bitcoin price is being very, very volatile right now. It's bulls versus both fighting against bears right now, and let's see who tends to win. But right now we're still in the scary zone. It does not mean we are out of the woods. No, definitely not. We do have the possibility of Bitcoin to fall below, back down to these levels if we are unable to close above $33,300 level. That's how important this level of support really is for Bitcoin. So we need to be keeping a very, very close eye on this price target to see what is exactly going to happen. But one thing I want to point out to you guys is that this higher low that we had been created is all invalidated now. So as much as I hate saying this, we do have to face the reality, and that's just what the occurrence right now really is. But now going back onto Vechain charts, guys, right now I want to point some very interesting things out for you guys. If we do bring out the daily chart for you guys, let's just let this thing load. There we go. We have the daily chart. We're zooming out and looking at the bigger picture for Vechain, guys. As you guys can see, we're hovering around this range. We need to get back into this zone over here, around this 8 to 9 cents mark, possibly get above this 10 cents mark if we can. But with BTC dominance increasing like this, it might be harder for Vechain to get to those levels faster compared to before. So we do need to keep an eye on this chart as well. But if we do see some sort of upwards trend for Bitcoin, let's say $36,200 mark, if we do tend to go there and bulls are able to push the price up towards those prices, then I would not be surprised if we get above 10 cents mark. But one thing I want to point out for all the Vechain holders right now is one thing. And please, guys, listen to this very, very carefully, because I read so many comments, and I just want to answer one thing for you guys, and that is, when I say take profits, guys, this is what I mean. So you guys can see we had an upwards rally, we had a nice upwards trend. We were seeing all-time highs after all-time highs after all-time highs. You guys get the picture, right? And this is where a lot of where a lot of investors, guys, tend to get greedy. They think they will get rich overnight, and the profits that they're making right now in the cryptocurrency space is not going anywhere. It's gonna stay, and the markets are just gonna go up straight in one line, straight to the moon, and you're just gonna get rich. That's not how it works, guys. See, we cannot predict the top. We just cannot predict the top at all. So the best strategy for you guys to do is, when you guys are seeing the markets move in this kind of trend, guys, take profits. Take some profits off the table, because as much as I hate saying this, as fast as you can make profits in this market, that's as fast as you can lose them. You guys can see markets have moved. If we do bring out the measuring tool from the all-time high, and as of recording this video, we have dropped 73.59%. So imagine you did take some profits around this green zone. Doesn't have to be necessarily around this 23.6. Let's say you took some profits around here, and you actually waited for some sort of consolidation phase to occur. You saw some prices drops such as here, and you bought back here. You would be doing really nice at this time. That's why it's really important, guys, to take profits. I always, you guys know, I care about each and every one of you guys, my viewers. I put you guys in the same shoes as me, and I would like you guys to maximize your growth potential in the cryptocurrency markets. This is why I share these kind of tips with you guys. You guys cannot get greedy in the cryptocurrency markets. As good as a coin that could be, Vechain, you guys know my stance long term for a project like Vechain. Absolutely insane project, and these prices are basically very cheap in my personal opinion. Not financial advice. If they drop even more, I might buy more Vechain up, because I do see more future, like a long-term future for Vechain, considering what they are doing. You guys know I have covered this project over and over again on my channel, and you guys know how much I believe in this project, considering what they're doing. They have a real use case. They're bringing mass adoption to the cryptocurrency space, and they have a working product at the end of the day. That gets me super bullish, guys. They have very strong fundamentals. I do see long-term potential for Vechain, but that does not mean that just because Vechain is such a strong project, it's only going to go up straight in one line, and we're not going to see consolidation. Guys, I know there's a lot of new money. I know this might be your first year in cryptocurrencies, so cryptocurrency markets, and you may not know how these markets work, but maybe you have learned something. So now, please, for the future reference, when we do see massive profits, take profits, guys. Scale out, use that money for your personal use, or buy back when the dip does occur. But at the end of the day, you guys do what works for you. Vechain is here to stay, guys. I always say this. You guys know what Vechain is solving. It continues to grow as a project, and they keep on expanding day by day, and they're working with some of the biggest organizations around the world, and I believe it's only going to get bigger as time goes by. Obviously, we will see downward momentum occur, because at the end of the day, we do know Bitcoin is the king of the market. So whatever Bitcoin does, we do tend to see that flow into the altcoin markets as well. And this time, guys, patience is very much needed. As long as you have done your due diligence and research and have invested what you can afford to lose, guys, patience will be your #1 key to follow. Put your phone away, just go out, enjoy the summertime, and not look at the charts. I will bring you guys updates and just come watch my videos and just enjoy the day, guys, because I'm telling you right now, this is coming from a guy that has been in crypto for quite a while now. And guys, trust me, looking at your charts and looking at your phone Blockfolio app 24/7 is absolutely a waste of time, and I'm just trying to help you guys save time. So please, have patience, and do tend to take profits next time when we do see an upwards trend occur. I am definitely a believer that we are still in the bullish trend as of now, and we will definitely see an altcoin rally, possibly in the next coming months. But and when that happens, guys, do take profits. I cannot stress this enough. But right now, my target for Vechain right now is to get above this 10 cents mark. And like I mentioned, we need to be paying close attention to BTC dominance charts along with Bitcoin for us to see what happens. But this is it for today's video, guys. Before I end, I want to show you guys, Vechain is the 6th most searched asset right now, in the last 24 hours on Reddit. So you guys can see how much interest there really is on Vechain. And the people that are in for the long haul, while there's major fear across the board, guys, this is a very popular saying. When there's major blood across the board, people are being fearful. That's when you should get greedy. And I personally have used this strategy before myself, and it has definitely worked for me. But I'm in it for the long haul. I'm not here for the short-term gains for like tomorrow or like at the end of this year. I'm in it for the long haul, and crypto is the future. And this is nothing for me at all. But let me know in the comment section below what you guys think, where Vechain is headed in the next month of July. I would love to know your thoughts down below. And do you guys think the bottom for Bitcoin is in or no? Let me know in the comment section below. And thank you, guys. Thank you to each and every one of my viewers, especially my day one supporters, my regular supporters. You guys know who you are, for always coming back to my channel and taking your time out to watch my videos. I really appreciate you guys. And remember, I only do this for you guys specifically. And do not forget to like, comment, and share and subscribe, guys. This does help my channel grow a lot, so your support would be greatly appreciated. And stay safe out there. Safety, health, and family comes first, and everything else absolutely comes later. I will see you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.